counts 2, 3, 4, and 5, murder in the first degree.
A legal battle over evidence playing out between Bryan Kohberger, working to clear his name in the murder of 4 University of Idaho students, and the state fighting to prove his guilt. In new court documents, Kohberger's attorney accusing the state of hiding its entire case by seeking to protect information about the genetic genealogy investigation they say led them to Kohberger.
The state here is using a relatively new kind of DNA technology. So this is exactly the kind of thing the defense will argue that they need, because if this is emerging technology, they need all the facts they can if they're going to challenge it.
In a court filing earlier this month, prosecutors said that Kohberger's DNA is a statistical match to DNA found on the knife sheath at the scene of the murders last November. In the filing, Kohberger's lawyer said that 2 additional males' DNA was found within the house, as well as another unknown male's DNA on a glove found outside the house, days after the murder. Kohberger's attorney also writing that police were investigating many various possible suspects, adding that many of them provided DNA and at least one had his DNA surreptitiously taken from a discarded cigarette.
Your Honor, we will be standing silent.
The judge entered a not guilty plea for Kohberger after he opted to stand silent at his arraignment. He's accused of murdering Madison Mogen, Kaylee Gonsalves, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin as they slept in an off-campus home in Moscow, Idaho on November 13th. An expansive gag order has blanketed the case since January, challenged by both the media and one of the victim's family's lawyers. On Friday, the judge upheld the gag order but narrowed it, allowing attorneys in the case to comment on matters like scheduling and correcting misinformation about their client. Tomorrow, both sides will face off in court again. As Kohberger's lawyers argue for the release of materials they say they need to defend the suspected killer.